Hi, Dark Green Group. This is Dark Green Sort 32. You have some interesting words. You have two main categories. One category is about people who are doing things, and then the other category is about words that are comparing. So all of your words end with an R. Some of them end with an ER, some end with an AR, some end with an OR. So we're going to break apart this first category, people who do things, into actually three different categories. People who do things that end with an ER, people who do things that end with an OR, people who do things that end with an AR. So you're actually going to need four different colors, but one category is going to have three. You'll see what I mean in a moment. So go ahead and take one of your colors, and we are going to do maybe like a little bit of this color in there, people. So we're focused on people. And we want to find people who do things that end with an ER. For example, a dancer. A dancer is a person who dances. We have dreamer. We have an ER, a person who dreams. We have a farmer, a person who farms. A driver, a person who drives. Notice that all of these end with ER. Jogger, a person who jogs. Writer, a person who writes. Swimmer, a person who swims. Shopper, a person who shops. Notice that swimmer and shopper and jogger, you all had to double. GGMMPP. And then voter, a person who votes. All of those end with an ER, and they're all people. Go ahead and change colors. We're going to stick with people, but this time I'm going to do orange over here, so it's the same category. But this time we're looking for people who do things that end with an OR. For example, actor. This is a person who acts. We have trader, a person who, I guess trait isn't a word, but person who goes against something. A traitor goes against something. A sailor, person who sails. OR. And down here, last one, tutor, person who helps someone. Tutor, help someone. All right. Those are all people, but they all end with an OR. Okay, so now switch colors again. Sticking with people again, but this time the people are going to end with an AR, like a beggar, a person who begs. Notice you had to double the G again. Now it's AR. A burglar, someone who steals something. And I think those are the only two ARs, beggar and burglar. So those are all our people. Go ahead and change colors. And now we're moving on to words used to compare. So we're comparing two things. So we could say, my burrito is bigger than yours. Or my hill to slide down is longer than yours. My driveway is smaller than yours. I arrived sooner than you. My little sister is younger than me. I'm comparing two things, me to my sister. My apple is fresher than yours. I'm comparing one apple to another. My brother is older than me. Comparing two things, me to my brother. Smoother. The ice is smoother on my pond than yours. Comparing two things. Brighter. The sun is brighter today than yesterday. I'm comparing two things. All right, all of your words end with R. You just have to be careful. Is it ER, OR, or AR? Take a picture and make sure you study. Good luck.